that's the rain. Good old Scotland, you can always count on it, can't you? Light's quite flat today, but hoping still to get something quite nice. Tony's with me, I'm just waiting for him to kind of come through the gate there. And then we'll make a plan and go from there. I'm going to take him down and show him that tree where I was at about 3 or 4 weeks ago. See if we can get slightly different compositions on it. Last time I was rushed because I was getting eaten alive by midges, however this time I've came prepared and I'm covered in smidge. I've got anti-mozzie wristbands on, so hopefully we'll not get bitten. Here's Tony coming now. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you can hear me over the sound of the rushing, raging torrent that is behind me. I've come back to Ness Glen where I was around a month ago. Last time I was here I was bitten to death by little midges and they ran me out of here, so today I'm all smudged up and I'm back at the same location. I'm going to try and get the same tree that I got last time, with more of the river in it. Tony's with me as well, he's just over the bridge there. We'll have a look and see what he gets as well. Same as last time, really nice scene. It has changed within the 4 weeks that I was here last. We have a hell of a lot more green and vibrant shrubbery. All the garlic's away, so we have none of that anymore. We've got daffodils, and that's kind of it. There's not many wildflowers around now. It's a really simple composition. I'll show you what I'm doing. That's the composition there. We have the tree coming up here, and I really like the way that this branch curls round. And these branches are in the composition. We've got this nice leading line here where we've got the ferns. You can see that? We've just got the ferns there, and then they lead up this rock face up into the tree. And then obviously at the bottom we have then the white water coming into the frame. Nice simple composition. It's really quite dark in here, so I may need to bracket the shots. I'll take one for the exposed area, the highlights, and I'll take one for the shadows, and then combine them later on if I need to. As you can see, that's Tony on the bridge there taking a view, looking down the river towards where I am. So settings wise for this shot, obviously we're in manual. We've got 1 second shutter speed, f11, ISO 100, and then if we just focus in around in the middle of the frame, that should render everything in focus there. What I'll then do is I'll take a faster shutter speed as well, and then as I said, I'll combine the two if I need to in Photoshop and Lightroom. I've got a circular polarizer on the front, and that's just polarizing the light coming through the lens and making them greens a wee bit more vibrant. All in all, a really nice composition. Hopefully you'll like this shot. Okay, so I came slightly back, kind of further up the path, the same place, we're just looking at a different angle, and I found another tree that's really quite interesting. It's clinging on to dear life on the side of the cliff. It's not a big tree, it's covered in green mosses, and it's just really nice. It's quite a nice composition. I'll show you it on the back of the camera and you can see what I mean. So as you can see what I mean there, you've got the water coming down into the bottom of the frame. It's leading you through to that rock in the middle of the lake, and then moving up the screen into the cliffs and then into that tree that I was talking about. Again, I'll do the same. I'll take 2 exposures, one for the lights, highlights, and one for the shadows.